You've watched us create a 4-channel dashcam system with 2 Thinkware U1000s and a 6-channel dashcam system with 2 Viofo A139s. While both provide us with all-around surveillance, the problem with these setups is that you're essentially running 2 dashcam systems in your car, which means 2 main cameras, 2 separate microSD cards, and 2 power sources. What if you can take your existing dashcam and turn it into a multi-channel system without the need to install another front camera? Guess what? Now you can. I'm Steven from BlackboxMyCar, and I'm going to show you how you can do so with the brand new Thinkware Multiplexer. The Thinkware Multiplexer is an add-on module that allows you to add 4 additional 1080p Full HD cameras to your Thinkware dashcam to create a 5 multi-channel system. Here's what you'll need: 1 main unit, 4 secondary cameras, and only 1 microSD card. This is the best solution for fleet drivers, rideshare drivers, or RV owners looking for a 360-degree full protection without the hassle of managing multiple dash cams and huge video files. The multiplexer is compatible with the Thinkware F200 Pro, the X700, as well as the new F790 dash cams. Before we begin, let's grab the extra cameras. The secondary cameras are used to build your 5-channel system. First, we have the exterior side view camera. This low-profile Full HD camera fits neatly on the side of your vehicle to cover a 129-degree field of view. It is mounted on the outside of your vehicle, but don't worry, it is IP68 rated, water and dustproof to withstand harsh weather conditions. For complete security, we will use 2 of them, 1 on each side of the car so we can cover both the left and the right blind spots simultaneously. It's worth noting that these Thinkware side view cameras are sold separately as left side cameras. In order to switch one to capture as a right side camera, simply cut the white wire attached. Next, the interior infrared camera. This camera records the inside of your vehicle in Full HD and covers a 160-degree view range, which is almost window to window. It provides colored image capturing during the day and infrared at night in order to capture clear footage at any time. Finally, we have the rear camera. When it comes to recording the traffic behind, you've got 2 options: the standard rear camera or an exterior infrared camera, which can record details invisible to the human eye in the dark and records with accurate color balance during the day. There are a few things to keep in mind when creating a multi-channel system with the Thinkware Multiplexer. You can actually connect any combination of secondary cameras to the multiplexer. For example, if you want to use 4 interior IR cameras, you'll be able to do so. 2. Recordings from additional cameras cannot be saved separately. They will be saved in 1 file only. 3. We do recommend playback using the desktop viewer, especially if you're using the Thinkware X700, which doesn't come with the mobile viewer app, and the built-in LCD screen might be a bit too small to see all details. Parking incident wakes up all cameras, which is a better setup than our previous 4-channel and 6-channel tests, because this way, you don't have to worry about the incident waking up only half of your cameras. This setup ensures the incident is captured by all cameras. And there you have it, a 5-channel dashcam system courtesy of the Thinkware Multiplexer, which along with the Thinkware F790 and additional cameras will be available soon at BlackboxMyCar. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us on our live chat on our website, or you can also email us at info@blackboxmycar.com. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope you found it helpful. When you decide to make your next purchase, don't forget to use our exclusive YouTube code BBMCTube to save 5% off. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for all things BlackboxMyCar.